This training video looks at the PWS 2000-230JE angle grinder from Bosch. The PWS 2000-230JE has a powerful motor, making it excellent for many large projects which a small angle grinder would not have enough cutting capacity for. A lock-on switch and an anti-vibration handle, which reduces vibration for the user by 60%, also ensures maximum comfort and optimum handling even in difficult conditions. The built-in soft start feature limits the starting current to prevent the machine from starting with a jolt. Controlled startup is ensured by the patented triple control switch with its 3 movement directions. This multifunctional switch can be used either as an on-off switch or as a lock-on switch. Maximum safety is ensured by the electronic restart protection, which prevents uncontrolled motor startup after a power outage. A simple conversion enables the gearhead of the PWS 2000-230JE to be rotated 90 degrees to perform cutting work. Now have fun with the PWS 2000-230JE angle grinder from Bosch.